to the clouds. 19 for the Gators. At 21-13, we hung in there. You did? We a couple touchdowns ourselves, missed the extra point, but we come around. Those guys have been stars. Evans and Langford. Sheldon to center. And another 20 hits in the ball game for the Gators.
Yeah, with BT, so everybody in the starting lineup before.
Pitch hitter on for Florida here. Matt Trevesque. Fouled off on the first pitch. But didn't have to go.
Right, be good there.
Something down the right field. It's a big time take.
So I'm just going to do a voiceover here. I think it will be easier to explain what I'm doing. But first I'm starting out just sketching the general shape of the head, just to kind of serve as an anchor for everything else that I'm going to put into it. You'll see I'm going to make a vertical line as well as a horizontal line that are both in the middle of the width and length of the head. And this is just gonna help me to identify not only the planes of the face, but also serve as a reference point that I can work off of, such as like the ears. Then I'm going in and drawing the shoulders and just the top part of the body. I put this in to basically show how slow I am. A big part of drawing is observation and just looking at what you see. Also, you can see how slow I am when I'm sketching. This is in regular time. I'm not very fast at all, and I think that's okay. So now I'm just drawing all the general areas, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and then I'm gonna go in and start shading in the darkest parts of the portrait. And again, this is just gonna serve as a reference point to the rest of the values in the face, and it helps me be able to better be able to identify the values so that the portrait actually looks accurate to the photo. I'm really making sure that my foundation is solid, so then when I keep building up all these other values and all these other shapes and little details, it looks right because I know that the base that I started off with is accurate.
Do you read?
Yeah, I'm gonna start back reading actually.
What do you what do you usually read? Get Taylor into reading. I'm trying to get Taylor into reading audiobooks. Oh, you still have to read a book with me, mind you. I didn't forget about that.
I did. I don't like those people who read. It's like this certain. What is her name? And she makes like all the nasty books. I know them. The girl that makes icebreakers. Yes, I don't like that.
Icebreakers?
Have you heard that movie or that book? It's called Icebreaker.
No.
It's really like a. It's like a. It's like a. Like a. It's smut. Like it's a smut. Yeah. You know, with me, like okay, in 8th grade, I had to read Boy in the Striped Pajamas. That movie was so sad. I was like, wait a minute. I was one time in 7th grade. I was like in love with Wattpad.
Oh my gosh.
I don't watch really on the Wattpad, but I've never really been on there before. Now, like I can't get into Wattpad.
Get into it when I really like this one band. So I used to read like fan fictions. You have any goals for the summer?
Get $1 billion, get a BBL, and graduate high school. My beef and nacho cheese chalupa. When I turn 15, I'm working Sky Zone because all I got to do was sit there and let bald headed kids run around. I'm good. That's funny. I was gonna work at Urban Air, but it is so hot in here. Like y'all have an Urban Air? It's new. They ran that Urban Air down, and like that was fighting like the 3rd week. Who fight? People are so ghetto. Girl, you would like Sky Zone used to be like the spot for us back like when I was in 8th grade, and they kept fights. Like police kept getting caught. Real police don't play that.
Hey. Hey, little mean baby.
Yeah, little mean baby.
Oh, Caitlin, I forgot to say, congrats. I saw that you made like the honor roll or something like that.
Thank you, girl. Yeah, I made an honor roll.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm sick of school now.
Have you thought about like what you want to do after you graduate?
Okay, so plan A was gonna be I want to be orthodontist. Plan B is I want to be a forensic scientist.
Ooh.
Taylor, what are your plans after college? Oh my gosh.
Wait, you already cause don't even act like this, but I'll ask you again since you want me to ask you so bad. What are your plans after college, Taylor?
I think I want to be an ultrasound tech. The second would just be like one of the nurses that works with the little babies after the first was born.
Oh, ooh.
But if it all fails, I'm gonna find me a rich husband. Hard wig, soft life. That's what I say. Find me a white man.
here I'm just adding in little highlights with an eraser. I feel like you can't quite see the significance of it on this camcorder, but it really does make a difference in the end. I think I'm finished. I think I'm finished. This is it. I feel like I can keep going. I feel like you can always keep going with drawings and paintings. Like you can always find another detail or another shadow or something that you see you did wrong. But I'm just gonna film the rest of this on my computer because all I needed to film was the outro, and it just like my camera keeps dying. Then like my SD card's full. Like oh, so anyways, I wanted to do just like a little reflection after I finished. This one was, I feel like, really fun. I really enjoy drawing children and women. I just think, I don't know. I don't know why. I feel like I'd really have to think about why specifically like women and children, but I just think there's something about like their face and their eyes. I don't know. I feel like the only thing that's off is the eyes. I think the eyes are a little too big. Um, and one's higher than the other. I feel like that always happens to me. I'll probably show you on the other camera, but like one eye is like slightly higher and I think like tilted over, but I'm very happy with it. The first one though, let me jog your memory. Like this is why I want to keep practicing and like learn more about drawing because sometimes I can draw really well and like very accurate and then other times this is what I come out with. Um But I'm gonna make another video soon. I think it's gonna be a little bit more educational, I think. This one was just kind of chill, me talking on the phone, drawing, sitting on the couch. I'm saying educational, but I don't know how I'll be as a teacher because I'm learning too. So we'll be learning together. If you learn anything, if anyone's watching, like, anyways, yeah. Um, I also wanted to make an introductory video talking about, I guess, my background in art, because I feel like it's kind of like I do art, but I really don't know a lot about it, and I really never learned like the basics and stuff. And I just graduated, and like my last semester, I had like no classes to take, so I was able to take an art class. And what was I gonna say? Don't remember what I was gonna say, but yeah, I took an art class this last semester, and I really enjoyed it. And now I'm gonna take a gap year, so now I have the time to like explore art and learn more about it. So thought why not film it? But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. If there is y'all. But yeah, thanks for watching.